I have suffered allergy from all my life. When I was born, so I already had atopic skin problem and eczema. And my asthma symptoms began in very early age also. I think something like 3, maybe 4 years.
I have been suffering allergic symptoms since all my life because when I was baby I had many food allergies and I have also atopic skin. And when I was 8 to 10 years old, then I started to suffer solar eczema and also grass pollen allergy symptoms and some exercise asthma. So I have been many kind of allergies all my life.
I've been told that these asthma symptoms was diagnosed as bronchitis and the treatment was antibiotica. I suffered about allergy symptoms about 7 to 8 years before knowing that they were allergy symptoms.
My allergic symptoms, they were not so bad. And actually the food allergies, I don't have them anymore. But the grass pollen allergies started when I was almost 10 years old, and every year it gets worse and worse.
The symptoms became quite massive at the end of my teenage years. So I remember I had to use some sunglasses also. I don't remember that I would have visited doctor so often anyhow that time, but I just went to pharmacy and bought this over-the-counter medication without a recipe and tried to treat myself that way. I was a bit ashamed of those symptoms when I was a little girl, so my surroundings did not know about these things so much.
Actually, my teachers didn't know that I'm allergic before they saw that something happened to me.
When I was younger, I had difficulties to visit a family with a cat, for example.
Sometimes when I have some family parts or something like that, I hope that I don't get my symptoms then, because it's not nice when you have nice dress and everything and then your eyes are so big and red and you can't breathe. So, but I don't actually fear that. I just hope that I didn't get my symptoms then.
I might have headache, and that's irritating at my when I'm working. I might feel tired because the nights are not so well slept.
My allergies give me some limits because actually when I was 15 and I looking for a summer job, I think, okay, I can't go some gardens or green places where other of my age went because they were the place where people just get easily to work. So I just had to looking for some other jobs, and that was a little bit difficult.
I may avoid situations that I would keep some presentation or something, so yes, it has some limitations. I realized that, for example, asthma is a life-threatening disease, but I have never actually had fears. Only fear has been when I was waiting my child. So thinking about his or her future, how that would be. But as it comes to myself, I have never had fears.
I hope that the children can help, that they get their diagnosis quite quickly.
In my point of view, one of the most important things is to try to make the allergic symptoms and asthma symptoms like ordinary thing. So it would not be something strange, so the child would not be ashamed of his or her symptoms. So I think that's very important for the child to get the proper treatment.